Welcome to Petaflick. In this video, we will learn about the history of Python. Some of the images and information shown and explained in this video are collected from various sources of internet for the educational purpose only to enable the learners easily understand the concepts. No copyright infringement is intended. All the rights to the content belong to the respective owners. Let's understand about the creator of Python. Python programming language was developed by a Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum. The word Dutch refers to the people or the language of Netherlands. As Guido was born in Netherlands and his profession was a programmer, he was referred as Dutch programmer. There were multiple programming languages like BASIC, Fortran, Pascal, C, C++, ABC language, etc. were well established by the year 1989. In 1989, Guido van Rossum was working as a programmer of ABC programming language at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science located in Netherlands called CWI. Guido observed some limitations in the ABC programming language. Due to these limitations, he could not develop some complex requirements received by him at the Research Institute using ABC language. These limitations of ABC language triggered an idea in his mind to develop a new programming language. Guido started working on the development of new programming language in the year 1989 and came up with the first version of the new programming language in the year 1991. The creator wanted to name his programming language with a simple short name. Guido was a fan of a comedy series named Monty Python's Flying Circus, which was telecasted in BBC channel. Guido got an idea to name his newly created programming language as Python. The first version of Python language was made available to the public in the year 1991 with the name Python 0.9.0. Let's understand about the Python Software Foundation. Guido started a non-profit organization called Python Software Foundation in the year 2001 to take care of the enhancement, maintenance, and distribution of the Python language. PSF takes care of maintaining the source code of Python, enhancing the features of Python, testing the enhancements received from the developers community, releasing the latest version to the public with the new features. PSF was releasing the new features added to the Python by releasing a new version of software to the public by incrementing the version number of the current version. This version number helped the developers to differentiate the new version from the older version. PSF is maintaining and distributing all the versions of Python from 2001 to till date 2025 in their official website. In the official website www.python.org, we can find all the versions of Python released from 2001 to 2025, and we can download any version of Python according to our need. The oldest version of Python available in the official website is Python 2.0.1, and the latest Python version available currently is Python 3.13.9. These are all the Python versions released to the public from 2001 to 2025. Let's understand how Python language started evolving. After the release of Python initially, developers started learning the programming language and started developing new functionalities as per the requirement given to them. As the programmers needs to develop the logic from scratch for the requirement, programmers were taking time to complete the project. Python Software Foundation identified this and came up with an idea of providing the repeated logic required by the programmers in the project as a pre-built in the language. As Python Software Foundation is a non-profit organization, they have welcomed the programmers who are interested to participate in the enhancement of Python. All the developers formed as a community and started providing the new functionalities to PSF. The developers community started developing the frequently used generic functionalities and developed some advanced features and shared the code to the Python Foundation. In order to ensure that, due to the new enhancement, the existing functionalities of the language should not be corrupted. To maintain the consistency, the foundation created some guidelines and rules called as PEP, which means Python Enhancement Proposal. The developers must follow the PEP compliance in their code for the acceptance of their code by the foundation. Currently, Python enhancement follows PEP 8 rules. The developers having new enhancement ideas should submit the enhancement proposal document to PSF. The proposal document will be reviewed by the developers community and further discussion happens on the enhancement. Based on the acceptance of the proposal, the developer will submit the code to PSF. PSF will review the code and perform integrated testing and ensure that the existing functionalities and the new functionalities are working fine. In case of any bugs, the bugs will be fixed and the code will be retested. The foundation add the newly finalized features to the source code of Python and the new source code is released to the public with a new version number. To use the new functionalities provided by PSF, the developers need to install the latest version of Python in their environments. Let's understand the major change happened between Python version 2 and Python version 3. There are two popular versions of Python available from 2001 to 2025. Python version 2, Python version 3. All the versions starting with 2 comes under Python version 2. All the versions starting with 3 comes under Python version 3. PSF ensured that when a new version is released in the market, the programs developed in the older version of Python runs in the new version of software without any issue. The support provided by the latest version of the software to the old version of the software is called backward compatibility. For example, the Python program written in Python 2.0.1 runs without any issues in the Python version 2.7.18. PSF made significant enhancements in Python version 3 when compared to version 2 for improving the efficiency of the language. Due to these changes, Python version 3 did not support the programs written in Python version 2. Some minimal changes were required in the Python version 2 code to work in Python version 3. This major change caused the companies to continue with the Python version 2 without upgrading to Python version 3. Due to this, Python Software Foundation was providing support and enhancements to both version 2 and version 3, which caused complexities in maintaining two different versions active. Due to this reason, Python Software Foundation publicly announced everyone to migrate from Python 2 to Python 3 as the organization is planning to stop any future enhancement and support to version 2. From the year 2020, PSF decided to discontinue the support and enhancements to the Python version 2 as it wants everyone to use version 3 instead of version 2. Currently, everyone is using one of the release of version 3 of Python and stopped using Python version 2 completely. Thank you for watching this video. If you are happy with the learning in this video, please like and share this video to your friends and relatives who need this learning. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get updates on our upcoming videos.